Hello, hello mga beshies! Eat, smile, and drink. Another coffee is life na naman tayo for today's video. At syempre, another a must-try coffee shop or restaurant when in Milan. Ito nga ang People or People Eat Milano na located sa Via Alberico Albrici, numero 5. Ito ay isang all-day dining restaurant. They are particularly known for their bowls, often with an Italian or European twist, open toast, and gourmet pizzas. And as indicated on the window, they serve coffee, lunch, wine, and dinner. Alam niyo ba yung atmosphere is described as contemporary, trendy, and relaxing, making it a popular spot for both solo dining and groups. Tamang-tama kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-picture dahil napaka-Instagrammable. Kaya naman mga beshies, kung ikaw ay andito sa Milan or nagpaplanong bumisita sa Milan, ay naku! Ito na ang sign mo para i-try na ito. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe for more. Ciao, ciao!